Today's featured pickup truck is a 1963 Chevrolet C10 stepside, and I'll read the seller's notes on the window. And the seller stated 1963 Chevrolet stepside pickup truck purchased from the original owner's family in 2000 with 31,000 original miles. The truck was in near perfect condition inside and out. We have a digital pic of the truck when purchased in 2000 showing amazing condition. The truck was completely taken apart from the frame up, repainted the original color. A new Crate 350 engine was installed, backed by a new 700R4 transmission. The truck's suspension was completely upgraded, along with the Flaming River steering rack, power steering, and brakes. The truck also received a modern air conditioning upgrade. The dash is all original with an operational factory AM radio that has been disconnected for a hidden modern system. The original bench seat was replaced with modern leather bench seat. A little over 20,000 miles have been added since purchasing the truck in 2000 with 31,000 original miles. All of the oak in the bed has been replaced. This truck was built to drive across the country and like a modern truck. And now it has 51,000 miles on it. And it sold for the grand total of $19,750 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2020. And I think that one was a bargain, no matter how you slice it, with all the work that was done to it, totally restored. You can do some upgrades to it yourself, but where are you going to find one for that kind of money to begin with? But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1963 Chevy C10 that was totally restored, two-owner with only 51,000 miles, and it sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2020 for $19,750. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.